Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to create a prompt using Notion, ChatGPT and Zapier. So it's going to be a prompt automation video. So here you can just go to Zapier even though you're not signed in, go to apps, Notion, and then you can choose ChatGPT as its second application. So you can choose a trigger with Notion and choose an action with your ChatGPT and endless possibilities can arise. So you have to select a trigger from Notion right here. This could be a new database item, and then we're gonna set up the action from ChatGPT. So what we're trying to do is create a prompt using Notion. So you're gonna actually have your Notion as a prompt, like asking Notion what, give a prompt for giving a good lecture, something like that. So from there, it's gonna go to ChatGPT and actually analyze that certain phrase, and then the action is going to be something like analyze the actual thing that he said in Notion, something like that. So now that's not it. So you connect the Notion to GPT and it's going to be automatic in workflow. So these are the most popular templates right here that you can choose from. Actually create Notion task in ChatGPT, conversion generated from new Slack reactions, create new detailed calendar, and many much more. So you can use it right here and make it happen. And it's just very simple. So you can choose such as this. You can edit it so that it will go ahead and go into your own actual liking. So you'll have to sign up with Zapier. You can get a 14-day free trial of Zapier using this template. So it's very, very simple to create a prompt using Notion, ChatGPT, and Zapier. So I am not signed in, and it's premium access restricts me from showing you, but basically I think you get the point if you want to do so. We also have other videos on how to respond on Facebook Messenger with ChatGPT and many much more. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.